Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Saji at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Kunin ko lang po itong pagkakataon para po magpasalamat dun po sa mga subscribers at saka viewers po na nagpahatid ng kanilang pagdamay po sa aming pamilya. Maraming salamat po. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung update para sa third and fourth quarter ng taon para makita natin kung may pagbabago para sa iyo, Saji. Okay? Pero bago lahat, tignan muna natin yung pinaka main message para sa kalahati ng taon para i-focus kayo. Mag-focus kayo dito. We have letting go, cheer up, and gratitude. Okay. Okay, so letting go, no? Siyempre, ito yung pagsabi na tama na, no? Alsin mo na siya. Kalimutan mo na, i-delete mo na. Pabayaan mo na, no? Cheer up is live in the moment. Okay, kung ano man yung nangyayari ngayon, enjoyin mo. Enjoyin mo mabuti, Saji. And then, gratitude is, of course, being grateful. I am all you have. Okay. Magpasalamat ka kasi kung ano yung meron ka. Diba? Magpasalamat tayo. Be satisfied of whatever you have right now. Para alam mo yung hindi mawala yung feeling na kulang, yung not enough. Actually, everything that is provided to us every day is what we need. No? Yun yung kailangan natin. Which God's provide sa araw-araw. Baka hindi nyo nare-realize, Saji, na araw-araw, no? Binibigyan tayo ni God ng mga bagay na ating kailangan. Even without praying or asking for it, God provides everything we need. Diba? Kaya, we should be very thankful at the beginning of the day or at the end of the night. Yung bago tayo matulog, we always say, thank you, dear God, sa lahat po ng blessings. Kasi, siya lahat ang nag-orchestrate nito. So, we have to be thankful all the time na meron tayo nito. Na we are breathing, we are alive, we have food to eat, we have house, we have clothing, we have work, we have money, we have a car, we have ganon. Kaya, focus on these three things, okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung third and fourth quarter na merong sa'yo, Saji. We have the Knight of Swords, the Hangman, the Sun, the Three of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and Temperance. Okay, Saji. So, umpisa muna natin sa work, sa career, sa money, business, no? And then afterwards, tsaka ako pupunta sa love. So, we start with the third quarter, which is July, August, September. Okay? So, yung July mo, Saji, is the Knight of Swords. May gusto kang mangyari na ora mismo, mabilis. Parang now na. Hindi na makaintay. Ganun yung energy nito eh. It has to happen now. Now na. Ganun yung gusto mo. Yung parang wala kang patience to wait any longer. It has to happen itong buwan na to, noong July. Kung ano man yung iniisip mo na gawin pagdating sa work, trabaho, career, pera, business, no? Gusto mo may mangyari na mabilis. Now, pagdating ng August, hindi ka sure. Parang bigla ka nag-pause. Yung dating galaw mo dito ng July, ngayon bigla kang tumigil. Parang sandali nga muna. Mag-isip muna ako. You're trying to find a new perspective. You wanted to see other perspective. Huh? Which is not bad. Kasi, dito kasi parang, ano ka dito eh, yung mapusok, ba, sa Tagalog. Nagmamadali. Di ba ang taong nagmamadali, malalim kung mapako. Tama ba yun? Kasi nga, hindi ka nag-iingat. Pag nagmamadali ka, chances for you to make mistake, andun eh, malaki. Kasi bigla mo lang ginawa eh. Out of the blue. Nagmamadali ka. But in here, in August, you were parang opposite nung naging energy mo ng July is nag-stop ka eh. Nag-stop ka to think and to look at other things in a different way. Which is good. Kasi parang nakita mo yung both sides, may mabilis at hindi. September kasi, magiging masaya ka na. O magkakaroon ng success o fulfillment o swerte, good luck. Kung ano man itong pinaplano mo dati, yung dating iniisip mong may mangyari na, mangyayari siya or it will bring good luck sa September. Okay? So this is a very positive card. The Sun. Ito yung nagbibigay ng kaligayahan, ng success, ng clarity, kaliwanagan, satisfaction, okay? Movement. So yan. Growth. Paglaki, no? So September is the month na talagang you will be happy. Maybe because you took a while, no? It took you to sandali lang. Huwag mong madaliin. Sa paggawa mo noon, ang naging outcome tuloy is maganda. Okay? Maganda siya. Ngayon, pagdating nung fourth quarter, October, November, December. Pagdating sa work, no, you are doing very well, or maybe with business, na you could see a lot of good cooperation. No, may cooperation, may harmony within your coworkers or your sa company mo or with your clients. No, maganda yung takbo ng inyong relationship, no? Yung business partner or your coworkers, mga ganon. Maganda siya. Everything seems to be working in harmony, no? Lahat ng kino-contribute mo, nagiging maganda yung output, no? Now, yung November, meron ka lang hindi nakikita no? You seem to be yung feeling na parang you are parang naka-tied up. Yung hindi ka na makaalis. Pakiramdam mo na parang you are married to this career or itong work na to o dito sa company na to na tipong wala ka ng way out. Ganun yung pakiramdam mo. No? May mga bagay na parang you are blinded, no? Hindi mo nakikita eh. Hindi ka wala kang ano ba tawag doon? Nabubulagan ka. No? Hindi mo nakikita nga eh. Sa mga bagay-bagay na maybe what's happening within the organization or within your company. Huh? Kahit okay kayo nung October, pagdating ng November, there are things na parang hindi clear. Things are not really clear to you. Kaya pagdating ng December, you need to really balance yourself. No, Saji, which is this is your card, no? Temperance. You need to balance yourself. And make sure na talagang okay ka, no? Okay ka dito sa nangyayari ngayon sa company. Maybe the company is facing something na hindi ka pa aware kung whatever that is, no? But you will soon find out kung ano man to na hindi mo alam. Eventually, you'll get to know it and then you find yourself to be parang sige, kaya ko to, ma-work out ko to. Because I know myself, I can balance myself, I'm totally parang in control, no? Kaya ko na ma-handle yung mga ganitong sitwasyon. So, yun yung pagpatatapos ng taon. Everything will be okay. So, depende na lang kung ano yung susunod natin for 2025. So, we'll do that syempre pagpasok ng January. But sa ngayon, you just parang work on this. Kasi okay naman October mo eh. Nga lang parang something is happening na hindi ka pa totally clear about it. But eventually, when you find out, you will be fine. Okay ka lang. Okay? Now, pagdating sa love, Saji, again, yung July mo, no? Parang nagmamadali. Nagmamadali ka ba dito na ano? May gusto kong gawin with your person? Maybe there is something na you need to parang propose or sabihin natin na gusto mong ligawan, no? Pormahan, ganon. Kasi sobra ka na-attract, so you want na makakuha na ng sagot, no? You want answers dito. You want to communicate, you want to talk, no? Tipong gano'n o makipag-date na. Kaso, I think maybe a person, hindi yung response niya sa iyo put you to a hold position, no? Parang dahil doon sa naging reaction niya sa iyo, Saji, nag-ano ka eh, nag-hold back ka, nag-isip-isip ka muna, Agosto. Nag-isip-isip ka to a point na gusto mo muna maintindihan kung ano na nangyayari o sitwasyon or maybe kasi by slowing down, mas makikita mo yung buong perspective, yung itsura o yung sitwasyon. Mas maiintindihan mo kung ano talaga nangyayari kaysa mabilis na aksyon o energy na binibigay mo. Pag nagawa mo kasi yan, ang dulot niyan ay kaligayahan, yung happiness. Maybe by doing that, by being, alam mo yung dahan-dahan lang kayo, get to know the person slowly, little by little, then that's the time talaga may enjoy mo. You find it more na fulfilling or happy yung pagkakaroon ng interaction or relationship dito sa person mo. Pagdating ng fourth quarter, okay kayo, you cooperate with each other, okay naman kayo in terms of harmony, walang problema. October, tuloy pa rin yung kaligayahan, no? September, October, you're fine. November, you feel na parang may konting, maybe, a feeling of what? Problem with communication, problem na hindi kayo masyado nagkakaintindihan. So, something na hindi naman totally hindi maayos. Kasi, pagdating ng December, you're okay, no? You were able to balance things with your person. Kung dati, parang, you know, you're blinded kung ano man yung nagiging problem, kung nagkaroon man kayo ng problem dito sa November, medyo hindi mo naiintindihan hindi mo napapansin or hindi ka aware. Okay? Pero, nung pag-usapan nyo na, naging balance na kayo. Okay na kayo ulit. Noong December. Okay? So, that's how I'm reading this, Saji. So, wala namang major na dapat ikabahala. So, you just, whatever differences that is, just let it go. No? Let it go. Cheer up. Cheer up. And be grateful. No? Be grateful and be grateful. Para kung ano man yung meron kayo, maging maayos yung relationship. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Saji itong nakuha nating energy ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.